Welcome to Mighty M Corporation, where we fabricate and assemble Mighty M pressure washers, air compressors, and other industrial equipment. For over 50 years, we've been manufacturing high-quality and dependable industrial equipment right here in Peosta, Iowa, our founder's hometown in the heart of the Midwest. We start our tour in the raw materials area, where incoming materials arrive by truck and are carefully inspected by our quality assurance team. After the raw materials are checked in, the fabrication process starts in the laser bed area, where raw materials are cut into parts and then deburred to smooth any rough edges. Next, the parts move to the CNC machining and press brake areas, where they are shaped with bends and angles or any machining that is needed for each part. The special CNC rolling area is where we roll metal sheets into cylinder shells for our air compressor tanks. After the metal is rolled, the tank cylinders are sent over to welding for seams and caps. These tanks are set up in a staging area for ASME testing to check for leaks. After the parts are drilled, milled, and cut, they move to the welding area, where they are expertly welded together using 13 robotic welding machines and 26 manual welding booths. As an ASME certified welding department, we take pride in meeting the highest standards of quality and safety, so every welded product is built to last. Once the pieces have been welded, they are taken to the powder coat area, where they are loaded onto a conveyor system and taken through a 5-stage wash process before being powder coated. This process gives our parts a superior finish that is harder and more durable than conventional paint. Once fabrication is finished, the parts are taken to the production assembly lines by our shipping and receiving team. This team plays a crucial role in transporting materials across the facility, managing inventory, and ensuring on-time deliveries to our customers. They manage and organize everything that comes in and goes out of our warehouses. Our parts department works alongside our shipping and receiving team, packaging parts and components. These could be anything from replacement parts to parts needed for a service call or accessories like hoses, wands, and nozzles. When the fabricated parts arrive in production, they are used to assemble a variety of Mighty M equipment. The production area has 23 assembly lines where Mighty M employee owners assemble cold water pressure washers, hot water pressure washers, air compressors, generators, and more. Once assembled, every unit goes through rigorous testing in one of our 11 test rooms. A tester will perform a series of procedures to test performance and functionality, making sure every unit that leaves our facility is quality checked. After passing final inspection, each unit is boxed and sent down the conveyor to the finished goods area before being shipped out. Since A.J. Spiegel founded this company in 1971, Mighty M has been built on hard work, dedication, and a commitment to excellence. While Mighty M has grown over the years, one thing has never changed: our dedication to quality and the people who make it happen.